Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam error in HP inkjet printers and MFPS. So this printer is HP Deskjet 2620 model. There are a lot of models similar to this. So for example, let's print something, or let's copy. You see that this sheet of paper jammed here in the beginning. Let's see again. Yes, it's jamming. What to do? Take out the paper. Switch off the machine. Turn it around. And push these two white hooks and lift up this cover. Oops. And what we see here, this is a pen. I have seen a lot of things here, pens, nails, a lot of stuff. So this is our problem. Close it back and let's see if the problem is fixed. Load paper. Switch on. Let's copy something. Great. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.